Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Model Compression and Quantization, Making AI Lean and Fast. Imagine you've built a super smart AI. Great, but what if it's so huge it needs a giant supercomputer just to run? This means it's slow, expensive to use, and can't fit on your phone or a small device. As developers, we need our AI to be lean and fast, not a heavyweight champion that costs a fortune to deploy. Think of AI model compression like taking a huge, detailed instruction manual and turning it into a concise, easy-to-read summary. The goal isn't to lose essential information or intelligence, but to remove redundancy and keep only what's truly important, making the AI model smaller and faster without sacrificing too much performance. For developers, this means more deployable, efficient AI. In AI, models are made of many connections. Like wires in a complex circuit, pruning is like looking at that circuit board and realizing some wires aren't really doing much work or are redundant. We carefully snip these less important connections or parameters. The model gets smaller and faster. Just like a tree becomes lighter after you prune dead branches. But it still produces good fruit, or accurate predictions. Imagine you have a brilliant, experienced teacher, a huge, powerful AI model, and a bright, eager student, a smaller, simpler AI model. Instead of training the student from scratch, you have the expert teacher guide the student, sharing its knowledge and decisions. The student learns the essence of what makes the teacher smart, becoming almost as capable but in a much smaller, more efficient package, ready for your applications. AI models store information using numbers with high precision, like an artist using millions of shades of colors, e.g., 64-bit numbers. Quantization is like telling that artist, okay, you can only use 256 colors now, e.g., 8-bit numbers. Surprisingly, for many pictures and AI tasks, you can still get a very good result. By reducing the precision of the numbers, the model becomes much smaller and faster because it handles less data, making it ideal for resource-constrained environments. As a developer, smaller, faster AI models mean you can 1. Deploy on more devices. Run AI on phones, smart devices, or even in web browsers. 2. Faster user experiences. AI responses happen almost instantly. 3. Lower server costs. Less powerful servers needed means cheaper hosting. 4. Sustainable AI. Less energy consumption. These techniques unlock powerful AI for everyday applications you build. We've explored how model compression and quantization help us slim down powerful AI models without losing their smarts. By using techniques like pruning, knowledge distillation, and quantization, developers can build AI applications that are faster, cheaper, and can run almost anywhere. This opens up a world of possibilities for integrating sophisticated AI into your projects, making your apps smarter and more accessible. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.